Hello everyone, Josh here at Encore, the Mustang Parts Warehouse. Lane is an eBay customer of mine, and we're going to go over his spoiler today. And for anyone else interested in an LX spoiler, well, I've almost got too many options to choose from when it comes to trying to match up color. That's what we're doing here today for Lane. He sent me, well, I had a stock photograph on eBay of a bright baby blue, kind of a spoiler that he was hoping to get, but that was just a stock photo. This one here is actually a shade darker than that baby blue, but it is a repaint, so I'm not exactly sure what the paint code is. Didn't start as red or green, I don't believe, or black. It looks to be somewhat of kind of a medium blue color. Now today I've sent Lane some pictures already, still photographs at night, with this kind of a, I don't know, we'll call it like a metallic, pearl metallic. It does show kind of different colors and different lightings. But for Lane today, I've been teasing him for quite some time now about sending a video. Just want to make sure before I send this big sucker all that way that he knows of any defects that I can, identify ahead of time, even though it's a used spoiler and he's already said okay a few times. Just want to make sure that he and anyone else that would be interested in trying to get a color matched part from me here at Encore, or any LX spoiler, at least now you know kind of what I go through when I sell one. So if there were any repairs done, we'd probably be able to see them from the backside here in Lane. On this one, I don't see any repairs done here on this backside. Looks like I've got a family of nuts included with this one, which probably means it was dismantled here at Encore. I've seen from time to time these get like over tightened, or maybe it's stressed in some way. Looking at those bolt holes, I don't see any stressing, cracking, anything like that. And the stalks and stands here for all the studs look good. And it's not even rusty. So all the fasteners should be good to go. I'll take a quick look inside here at the light mounting area. Clips are there, looks good. Now we'll go over the defects that I found, which are minor but many. There's lots of light scratches and chips. Some's only in the clear coat, it appears. Some's down a little deeper. A lot of this stuff is, probably buffable. Lots of this stuff, but there are some, like this area here, that might be a touch-up paint kind of a situation, but there's not too many of those on here. Just lots of light hazy scratches. This is probably maybe from where I had another spoiler. I had these hanging in my shop. I showed Lane the almost too many options for what I've got. But anybody else, I would do a private kind of a video if you want to see all my reds, my whites, my blacks, my greens. But I do expect also to continue to modify my eBay listing and my website to have some more exact photographs of the spoiler that you're bidding or buying, rather than the stock photos. Just a lot of upfront work. And I've been very, very busy with delivering orders. Haven't had much time to do that upfront labor. But Lane, this I would say, makes this wing, instead of a 10, a 9.5, a 9.2. I don't know what this is. It appears that it was pre-repaint and they just didn't address it. I've looked at it from behind and it doesn't even break this first surface here. So it's just a chip that looks like maybe just clear coated over or painted over without doing any other work. So that's the flaw, I would say, with any of the fiberglass of this piece. The rest of it is just little corner nicks and knocks. I hope the color is appropriate and you're okay with the condition at a 9.2, 9.5. If this were anyone just looking for, say a core wing to repaint, something like this would be absolutely perfect. But we're trying to do, the old saying, like, you can get something, quality, cheap, or fast. You can only pick two. I mean, we're trying to get color, quality, and no damage. So I think we got a quality wing all the way around with not a lot of damage. And the color, you know, I think Lane had said once that it's probably the closest I'm gonna get. But so Lane, you can compare this bright sunny day, look at it with your nighttime views I sent you before. I've cleaned it up a little with some, you know, soap and water, but you can kind of see the difference in the color between night and day, no pun intended. But if that's suitable for you, let me know. It'll be on the next box truck out of here. And anyone else interested, you can reach me on eBay under Encore MPW, and my website, which is also encorempw.com. So thank you, Lane, for your business and your patience. And everyone else, if you like Mustang parts content, go ahead and subscribe to my channel. Talk to you soon.